Welcome to immerVR News. We have breaking news coming in. There's actually been unknown flight objects detected in the latest update of immerGallery. Just look at the footage we just received. They are all floating around through our brand new drone gallery where you can see great places from the US. If you don't want these balloons, if you just want them to disappear, there is actually an option where you can just disable them without any additional cost. So just press the button and they will be gone. Also, Ireland. We just heard news that celebrations for St. Patrick's Day have already started. In immerGallery, you can enable the St. Patrick's Day celebration environment. Enjoy it, watch your photos in this Irish setting. Also, we just received news that there's another brand new gallery in immerGallery. It's one of the greatest places in Bavaria, the Partnachklamm. You can explore it all in the latest immerGallery update, 3D, only in VR. And if that's not enough, please look around, there's much more in immerGallery you can explore and enjoy. Thanks.